Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add an item to your shopping basket or shopping cart on the SHEIN application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should tap on the shop icon down below, which is the first option. After that, at the top of the screen below the search bar, you are going to see the main categories. Click on the relevant one that you would like to search in, and then if you scroll down, you are going to see there are many subcategories here, so click on the relevant one. After that, you should select a product that you would like to purchase. You can narrow down your search by clicking on this filter icon in the right side of the screen, and after finding the item that you like, just simply select your size and then press the add to bag button down below. As you can see, there's one item in your shopping bag. You can check the items added to it by simply clicking on the shopping bag icon at the top of the screen. If you scroll down, you are going to see the only item added to it. Then click on the button checkout down below. Here you are going to add your shipping address first. You need to select the location, add your name, phone number, then your email address as well, and then press the button save. And after that, you will be able to continue with the payment of the product. And basically that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.